I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 1989 Camaro. I'm going to show you how to replace the brake master cylinder. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is a 3/8 electric ratchet, 15mm socket, Phillips screwdriver, 15mm wrench, 14mm wrench, 14mm tubing wrench, and my vise. This is the part I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is a brand new brake master cylinder and some .3 brake fluid. Okay, so first we're going to be removing these two brake lines. Okay, so I'm going to be removing the master from the brake booster. There's two bolts, one here and one here I got to remove. Okay, so I'm going to be filling up my master cylinder with some fresh brake fluid. Now we're going to bleed the master. With my Phillips screwdriver, I'm going to be pushing in the back of the master. And you see these two holes right here where the brake line is going? When I'm releasing the master, I'm going to be covering up the holes to create a vacuum. So the vacuum will pull the brake fluid right into the master, and just keep doing that. You say let it go, push the back of the master in, and now you got to hold the holes, create a vacuum, and then release the master. And just keep doing that. Remove your fingers, push the back of the master in, and now close the hose to create a vacuum and release the master. Keep doing that until all the air comes out. Okay, that feels pretty good. So installing the master. So before you bolt it up, make sure you screw these tubing nuts inside. Just snug it up. Now we can bolt the master to the booster. Bolting up the master. Now we're going to be bleeding the master. So I'm going to start up the vehicle. So I'm going to be pumping my brake pedal no more than halfway down until I feel pressure. But that guy feels pretty good. So now I'm going to be pressurizing the brake system with my hood prop. One side against the brake pedal, the other side against the seat. Okay, so now I'm going to be opening up the lines one at a time just to see if there's any air in there. We'll pressurize the system again. Opening up my lines again. That looks good. That looks good. Now lock it up. So I'm gonna be shooting down this area with water, dissolving the brake fluid. The brake fluid is water soluble. So blow it down with some air. Now we're going to pressurize the brake system again. So pressurize the brake system about 15-20 seconds and now check for leaks. This guy looks really dry. Make sure you top off your master cylinder with brake fluid and you're good to go.